so that nice guy I clipped, he actually gave me 20k. So I spent my money on crates and other crates, and I bought one of every you can buy. So here's 8 of them. 10. I mean, oh my god, no. Okay, 2. If I get the paradox, I'm gonna be so happy. But I didn't get. Okay. Wait. Okay. No, I didn't. I didn't get nothing. Wait. A TV henchman would be great. Okay, no.
He gave Edgar something. He gave Andy something. I don't know what he gave. Andy, I tell you.
What did he give you? Oh.
He gave him a lot of fucking dollars.
Okay. I got like more of these.
What? You have futuristic scientists?
Does he actually? I got 2 headless camera women. I'm sorry for assuming gender.
Guess the part.
Bro, shut the